Hello, Ramchan.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute. 1 minute. Yes, sir.
Good evening, Ramchan. Today I would like to explain Module 5, that is data mining. So, data mining is the process of extracting meaningful, interested patterns from the huge volume of data by applying classification, clustering, association rule mining, outlier detection, recommender engine. We are using to perform various kinds of techniques. Data mining is the base concept for big data and data science. That's why data mining is a process of discovering hidden patterns, uncorrelated information, and interested analytics in large data sets involving methods at the intersection of machine learning, statistic, AI, machine and deep learning techniques from the database systems. There are four stages of data mining. The first one is data sources, where we are getting huge volume of data from different sources like weather forecasting, stock market analysis, traffic data analytics, and seasonal data and supermarket data. We are getting banking information data. Those are the examples for data sources. Data exploration is nothing but we are calculating, we are dividing into groups, classes with the help of classification, regression, clustering, association rule mining, outlier detection, recommender engine we are performing in the case of data exploration. Then data modeling is nothing but a simplified version of the reality according to our application requirements by using classification models, clustering models, association rule mining models, and recommender engine models, outlier detection models, and even deep learning models. Finally, we are deploying application in the market. That's why data mining, very important sentence is, necessity is the mother of invention. If you are hungry, you are searching for food. You know, Ramchan?
Yes.
If
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, that's why this quotation is very popular and very famous in one of the textbook called Data Warehousing and Data Mining by Han and Camber. They are both employees at Sun Micro, Stanford University and USA. They have invented and they wrote a book called Data Warehousing and Data Mining. They have given the beautiful proverb called necessity is the mother of invention. Is a well-known proverb. It means roughly that the primary driving force for most new inventions is a need. Then, if you see data science and data mining, the combination. So, data science is a big umbrella. Under that one, we have data mining. Data mining is the process of extracting meaningful, interested patterns from the huge volume of data by applying classification, regression, and outlier detection, recommender engine, etc. Extracting data, discovering hidden patterns, developing predictive models, etc. Data science is the process of extracting meaningful, interested, hidden patterns. In this data science, we have qualitative analysis, multidisciplinary, unstructured data, data products. Then top 10 algorithms in data mining like C 4.5 is nothing but classification. Uh, 4.5 is algorithm. K-means algorithm is a clustering algorithm. A priori algorithm is a association rule mining algorithm. Ada boost algorithm is a classification algorithm. Expectation maximization by using KNN algorithm. We have a number of algorithms like naive Bayes algorithm, CART, class and regression trees algorithm, page rank algorithm, support vector algorithm. These are the classification techniques. Then what are the data mining softwares we have? Veka is a data mining tool. Veka expansion is a Vaikato environment knowledge for analysis. Veka is a data mining tool, data analysis tool. Data Veka came from Mecca. Mecca is a flyless bird at Waikato University at New Zealand. Rapid Miner is a data mining and a data analysis tool. NIME is a data mining and data analysis tool. The Mahout Machine Learning Library is a one of the popular library in Mahout, which is a very good library concept in big data technologies like Hadoop and Spark. Rattle is a data mining tool. R programming is a visualization tool. Orange is a data mining tool. NLTK Natural Language Toolkit is a one of the tool for
NLP.
natural language processing for conversion of one programming to language to another programming language. Scikit-learn is a sklearn is a library in order to solve a machine learning algorithm concepts like classification, regression, and association rule mining, outlier detection, recommender engine. Then we are going for MATLAB is a matrix laboratory in order to solve image processing statistical analysis. We are using a MATLAB tool. libsvm library support vector machine is a one of the data mining software. Coming to data mining algorithm, these are the top 10 algorithms we are using in order to perform data mining and data analysis, classification, regression, association rule mining, outlier detection. C 4.5 classifier algorithm is a one of the famous algorithm. That is a classification algorithm. K-means algorithm is a clustering algorithm. Support vector machine is a classification algorithm based on the hyperplane. We are solving the problems. We are classifying the data based on the hyperplane. Below hyperplane, there are points called one class. Above the hyperplane, we have a group of points is called classification. Then a priori algorithm is a association rule mining algorithm. So in order to find out a frequent item set mining, suppose every week we are
Market basket analysis.
yeah, market basket analysis. We are purchasing a bread and jam and eggs and bread combinations. Then we have expectation maximization is a problem in order to solve in business intelligence problems in order to increase. We are using expectation maximization, especially business analytics. PageRank algorithm is a one of the data mining algorithm in order to find out number of hits in a website happening. It shows the PageRank is a number one algorithm. Adapt Boost is a classification algorithm based on the random forest and decision tree. We are solving this Adapt Boost algorithm. Booging and basting, bagging and boosting are the ensemble algorithms. KNN is the K nearest neighbor algorithm. It comes under dimensionality reduction algorithm. It is also a classification technique. Naive Bayes algorithm is nothing but it is one of the classification technique under a dimensionality reduction process. CART is expansion is a classification and regression T is one of the classification algorithm. These are the top 10 algorithms and tools of softwares. Then data analytics, usually we are dividing into three parts like data collection, experimentation, process parameters, microstructure, properties, performance. Whereas data mining we are performing like process modeling and macro scale simulation, micro scale simulation, multi-scale analysis, performance reduction, prediction. Then data compression is nothing but reduced order modeling, stochastics, pattern recognition, principal component analysis, uncertainty, quantification. Then we have data analyst skills as a data mining engineer or a data analyst, data scientist. You need to have knowledge on what is the problem statement, how to you are visualizing the data visualization, then data cleaning, MATLAB, R, Python, SQL and NoSQL, machine learning, linear algebra and calculus. Then a strong Microsoft Excel skills, critical thinking, communication. These are the skills required to solve data analyst problems. Then we have three steps of data mining like data, algorithm, decision. So data is raw material, comes under data mining. It is the computational process of discovering patterns in large data sets involving methods at the intersection of artificial intelligence and machine learning, statistics and database systems. We have under data mining, data warehousing, data engineering, data profiling, data translation, data mining, data discovery, text mining, machine learning, computer science, rich data visualization, knowledge discovery, databases like KDD process. We have data science is an interdisciplinary field, and we are extracting meaningful interested patterns from the huge volume of data by applying artificial intelligence techniques, machine and deep learning techniques. And we are extract knowledge or insights from the data. We have science and scientist, information science, statistics, predictive analytics, advanced analytics, probability models, statistical learning, pattern recognition, uncertainty modeling, artificial intelligence, decision support, etc. Machine translation, speech recognition, robotics, search engines, digital economy. See what is meant by analytics? Analytics is the discovery, interpretation, and communication of meaningful patterns data. That means interested analytics from the data. Like one of the best example for this one, who is the richest person in the worldwide? That is an interesting question. Immediately we are answering Elon Musk. So that's why analytics is the discovery, interpretation, and communication of meaningful patterns in data. Machine translation, speech recognition, robotics, search engines, digital economy, biological sciences, medical informatics, healthcare, social sciences, economics, business, finance, risk, etc. Then we have data scientist versus data analyst. The features like background. What is a background for a data scientist? A data scientist deals with the various data operations, and a data analyst having data analyst role is related to data cleaning, data transforming, and data generating inferences from data. What about scope as a feature in a data scientist and data analyst? So in data scientist, it involved with the scope several underlying data procedures, whereas the scope is related to data analysis. Analyst involvement is similar, limited to small data and static inferences. Type of data we are handling in data science: structured data, unstructured data. In data analyst deals with the structured data only. What are the skills are required for a data scientist? Possesses knowledge of mathematics, statistics, and machine learning algorithms, whereas in data analyst has problem solving skills, knowledge of basic statistics. What are the tools we are using in data scientist? Like proficient in software analysis, statistics software, statistic analysis software, Python, R, TensorFlow, Hadoop, and Spark. So SAS is a statistical tool, Python is a programming language, R is a visualization programming language, TensorFlow is a library for dealing with the deep learning applications, Hadoop is a big data processing engine, Spark is a big data technology tool. Whereas data analyst knows Excel, structured query language, in some cases Tableau for visualization purpose. Then we have three types we are categorizing data mining. Like data scientist works on Data analysis, statistics, machine learning, data mining, statistical modeling, research, algorithm, and analytics and programming. Data engineers work on data warehousing, extraction, tool loading, extraction, transformation, and loading, ETL tool, that is called a data warehousing tool. And we have informatica tool, and nowadays we have HBase, Hive, Zookeeper, NoSQL. These are the ETL tools, databases, business intelligence. What are the tools for a data scientist to use? MATLAB and SAS, whereas data engineers use Oracle, Hadoop, Microsoft SQL Server, MySQL, Hive. What are the languages we are using? Data scientist code in R, Python, LaTeX, and C++. So LaTeX is a documentation tool in order to develop equation based, mathematical based research articles by using LaTeX. C++ is a object oriented programming language. Data engineers code in Java, Unix, JavaScript, Linux, SQL. So this is the differences: data analyst and data scientist. Less pay, less experience; more pay, more experience. Static modeling, predictive modeling, basic programming, advanced programming, historical data analyst, future predictions. So this is about relationship between artificial intelligence, machine and deep learning, and data science. See here, data science integrates all about terms like artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning to extract insights from data, exploratory data analysis, and make predictions from large data sets. That is called predictive analytics. We have four types like big umbrella artificial intelligence, the programs with the ability to learn and reason like humans. What is machine learning? Machine learning is a subpart in artificial intelligence. Algorithms with the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. What about a deep learning? Subset of machine learning in which artificial neural networks adapt and learn from vast amounts of data. What is meant by data science? Data science is a field of study that combines statistics and mathematics, programming skills like Python, R, etc., and domain expertise to extract meaningful insights from the data. So that's why data scientist must have mathematics and statistics, domain knowledge, programming skill, etc. Then data mining steps like we are collecting the data selection, data cleaning, data transformation, data mining, pattern evaluation, decision, data integration. We have big data, machine learning, data mining combination. So these are one set of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. Big data is a separate domain. Data mining and data science comes to one domain. So these are the challenges in data mining, like noisy and incomplete data. For that one, we are eliminating noisy data, inconsistent data, dirty data. We are using uh, uh, binning and box plot and various filters. Distributed system, complex data, performance, data visualization, data privacy and security, noisy and incomplete data. Then we have a support vector mission. Just now I have explained based on the hyperplane. This model is associated learning algorithm that analyze data for classification and regression analysis. It is a supervised learning machine learning algorithm capable of performing classification, regression, and even outlier detection. The linear support vector machine classifier works by drawing a straight line between two classes. If you see in the diagram,
Sir, 1 minute. 1 minute. When you say outlier reduction, there is one red square which is below the line, isn't it? To
yeah,
the
yeah,
green
yeah,
side,
that is
the blue side.
misclassified. That item is called a outlier. That is a misclassified. So that's why
Okay,
we
sir.
are not expecting 100% accuracy.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, so
Okay, sir.
the thick line, a black line is a hyperplane, that is called a hyperplane, and we have weights and x minus b equal to 0. Then below the blue points are there, those are the support vectors, and above the black thick line we have a red squares. So those points are in one class. Based on the hyperplane, we are classifying the data. This is the program I'm going to share with you. We are finding one health data analytics and generate data. We are required libraries. We are using line linear SVM. Then we are finding the accuracy. We are importing NumPy. And if you see the data set, the number of samples taken by the particular program. Okay, so
Okay, sir.
this is about a support vector machine, and this is the output we have taken 158 150. Why, what happened? It is a 150 to 275 totals we have taken, and how many items are correctly classified? 152 is wrongly classified and 123 are correctly classified. One indicates true, 0 indicates false. So finally we are getting that 99.99 accuracy. Decision tree is also one of the classification technique. It is a flow like tree structure where each internal node, that is non-leaf node, denotes a test on an attribute. Each branch represents an outcome of the test, and each leaf node or a terminal node holds a class label. Decision tree induction is developed by Ross Quinlan. Decision tree algorithm known as ID3, that is iterative dichotomization. Decision tree is a classifier in the form of tree structure, that is decision node. It specifies a test on a single attribute. Leaf node is nothing but it indicates the value of the target attribute. Arc or edge is split of an attribute. Path is a justification disjunction of test to make the final decision. So classification by decision tree induction consists of decision tree induction, attribute selection measures by using information gain and gain ratio, Gini index, then tree pruning, scalability and decision tree induction. Then we have a data set in all electronic customer data. There are 14 IDs, record IDs, age, income, student, credit rating, class by computer, like we are purchasing a computer or not. Then we have a decision tree. Age can be divided into youth and senior middle aged, student and no yes, credit rating fair and excellent. This is about a decision tree algorithm. This is the program, required libraries we are installing. So like pandas library and a class for saving the, we are performing quick value count calculator and saving the data to the handle. Then we can see this is the output of the program. Then we are getting, this is the at 0 or 1. Likewise, random forest algorithm. I will share this program so that you can execute. Random
Okay, sir.
forest algorithm is one of the famous algorithm. It is based on the decision tree algorithm, and classification algorithm consisting of many decision trees. It uses bagging and feature randomness when building each individual free to try create an uncorrelated forest of trees whose prediction by committee is more accurate than that of my individual tree. A random forest is a meta estimator that fits a number of decision tree classifiers on various subsamples of the dataset and uses averaging to improve the predictive accuracy and control overfitting. So this is the example for random forest. We have a root node called x less than 5. If it is true, it comes to left side. If it is false, go to right side. Then again y less than 4. If it is true, left side. If it is false, right side. X less than 8. If it is true, left side. If it is false, right side. So y less than 2, uh, um, if it is true, it will come to left side. If it is false, true. So it is a machine learning technique. Then random forest machine learning technique. We have this is the algorithm class that grows one random forest tree. Then we are declaring all the nuns because we are taking from real time application data. This is the algorithm execution, and this is about theoretical part of data mining. Now please answer to my question. Which of the following is not a data mining technique?
Uh, I think a genetic algorithm.
Yes, perfect. Genetic algorithm is not a data mining technique actually. Remaining clustering, regression, association rule mining, these are the sorry. Regression is a statistical technique. Remaining all are data mining
Ah,
techniques.
okay, okay, okay.
Please
Okay, sir.
understand,
Sorry.
regression is a statistical mining technique. Okay, remaining all
Okay, sir.
are data mining techniques.
Okay, okay.
Which is the what is the
Sir, can you
object?
go to the previous slide? Can you go to the previous slide?
Yeah,
Sorry. Sir, actually, we see all this in machine learning, isn't it, sir?
yeah. Clustering, association rule mining, genetic algorithm comes under even data mining and machine learning, but whereas regression is
Okay,
a
sir.
statistical technique.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So next question, what is the objective of data pre-processing in data mining? Please read four answers. Tell me.
To transform raw data into format suitable for mining,
Mm.
to reduce the amount of data needed for mining, to remove irrelevant or redundant attributes from the data, to ensure the data is balanced. Maybe A or C, sir.
So objective of data pre-processing. Data pre-processing means we are eliminating noisy data.
Uh,
Yeah.
yeah,
And
inconsistent data, dirty data.
correct. First, A is the correct
Yeah.
answer. Next question,
Okay,
which
sir.
of the following is an example of supervised learning technique out of four
I
techniques?
will, yeah, yeah. Wait, sir. I will tell, sir. I will tell.
Mm.
Supervised is decision tree is supervised.
Clustering is a
Decision tree, sir.
Clustering is unsupervised learning. A priori algorithm is a dimensionality reduction algorithm. Decision
Section
tree is a classification technique. Principal component analysis is a dimensionality reduction technique.
dimensionality reduction. C
Perfect.
is the answer.
Perfect answer. Next, fourth one. Which of the following is a measure of association strength between two variables in data mining?
Uh, is that two
Support and
variables? No.
confidence actually.
Yes. I was thinking
Association rule
support.
man. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Based on actually, the answer is not correct here.
Correlation.
Measure of association between. No, it is
Okay.
not association rule
Correlation.
mining. Sorry. It is not association rule mining. It is association strength means related, correlated strength between
Okay,
two
sir.
variables. Measure of
Okay, okay.
association means correlation coefficient. Correct answer. A is the correct answer.
Okay, sir.
B is a dimensionality reduction technique. Support and confidence are the association rule mining techniques like a priori algorithm, FP growth. Based on support and confidence only we are solving. Okay. Next, fifth one. Which of the
Which of the
following is a technique used to handle
used to
missing data
handle
in data mining? Try to answer.
missing data, filling the missing values with zeros, removing instance with missing data,
Mm,
inputting the missing values,
mm,
filling in the missing values with zeros, replacing missing values with a mean of the non-missing values.
mm. Which
Uh,
technique generally we are using? We are filled with null value sometimes. Okay. Sometimes
so
we are
filling
keeping
with
zero.
C, is it C, sir?
No. Inputting the missing value.
Inputting missing values.
Imputing.
Okay.
Imputing means we are replacing some values
Okay.
in place of.
Okay. Okay.
Next one is which of the following is not a dimensionality reduction technique? Now tell me. Three
Okay.
techniques are dimensionality reduction technique. One is not.
Uh, I think D, sir. D.
No, no, no. Which of the following is a not a dimensionality reduction technique? PCA
Linear
dimensionality
regression.
reduction.
Linear regression.
Correct, correct answer. Remaining all are dimensionality reduction. What is the objective of outlier detection in data mining? What is that meaning? Outlier detection.
Uh, to remove noise from data, to identify patterns in data, to identify instances that do not conform the expected. C, sir.
Perfect answer. C
Yes.
is the perfect answer.
You gave me the best example, no? And that's why I'm always saying
Yes,
the outlier
yes.
reduction correctly.
Correct, 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 correct.
Thank you for teaching me.
Yeah, which of the following is a clustering algorithm? Out of
1 minute, sir.
four, yeah, try.
1 minute, sir. Clustering algorithm is K-means clustering, sir.
Perfect, perfect. You are outstanding. So, which of the following is not a data mining
Data
task?
mining task. Uh,
Only one.
image processing.
Perfect. Image processing is not a data mining task. Remaining all are data mining tasks.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Which of the following is an unsupervised learning algorithm? Tell me.
1 minute, sir.
Yeah.
Uh, Unsupervised. Association rule mining.
Unsupervised. Unsupervised.
Hierarchy. Hierarchy.
Now try to understand which of the following is an unsupervised learning. Only one. Remaining all are supervised learning.
Learning. So I think hierarchical clustering was there in the
Perfect,
unsupervised.
perfect,
Yeah.
perfect, perfect. So with this one, data mining concept is over.